Welcome back to Two Traveling Teachers. Today we're going to explain how we explore the western United States with our 22 MLE travel trailer and our trusty Lectric 3.0 folding bike. From stunning landscapes to off-the-beaten-path destinations, this combo is perfect for flexibility and freedom. Let's dive into how we make the most of our travels with this setup. The Lectric XP 3.0 is the perfect companion for our travels. Compact, easy to store, and ready for all types of terrain. This bike first drew our interest because of its folding design, which saves on space inside our truck or travel trailer. We found that when it's folded, it fits nicely in a 40-gallon container, like this one we got from Sam's Club. The tub keeps the bike nicely contained so it won't damage any of the upholstery inside the truck or trailer. It folds down in just a few seconds, making it super easy to pack up and take out when we're ready for a new adventure. It's great for RVers who want to stay mobile without sacrificing storage space. Whether we're cruising through a national park or taking a scenic ride through a quiet campground, this bike is built to handle it all. Plus, its battery gives us plenty of range to explore towns or nature trails without worrying about running out of juice. One thing we love about RV life is the freedom, and the Lectric XP 3.0 only enhances that. We can park the travel trailer at a campsite and hop on the bike to explore nearby towns, visit local shops, or grab a bite to eat, all without having to unhitch. From exploring charming small towns to taking on scenic bike trails, this bike lets us get the most out of every stop without worrying about finding parking for our truck. One of the standout features for our Lectric XP 3.0 is the optional passenger package, which makes it perfect for traveling as a couple. The package includes a padded seat, foot pegs, and a grab bar, creating a safe and comfortable setup for a second rider. The Lectric XP 3.0's rack, combined with the passenger package, has a weight limit of 150 pounds, which works perfectly for us and ensures the bike remains balanced and handles smoothly. Our electric bike has been a reliable and fun way to travel together. One of our favorite experiences with the XP 3.0 was in Santa Barbara. We stayed at a nearby campsite and decided to use the bike to explore the city. It was incredibly convenient. We didn't have to worry about finding parking, especially in the busy downtown and waterfront areas. The bike's compact size made it easy to navigate through town, and it saved us the hassle of dealing with traffic and parking fees. It turned a regular day of sightseeing into a fun, stress-free adventure. We were able to stop at all the must-see spots and enjoy the beautiful coastal views without worrying about parking limitations. When we visited Zion National Park, the XP 3.0 was an absolute game changer. Zion's shuttle system can be time-consuming, especially during peak seasons when the lines get really long. But with the bike, we bypassed all of that and explored the park at our own pace. No waiting for the shuttle, no rushing to catch the next one. We were free to enjoy Zion on our schedule. Riding through Zion Canyon was peaceful and beautiful. The quietness of the electric bike allowed us to really take in the incredible scenery, from the towering sandstone cliffs to the serene Virgin River. It was an unforgettable way to experience the park, and we had the flexibility to stop wherever we wanted, soak in the views, and continue whenever we were ready. During our stay at Trailer Village RV Park in the Grand Canyon South Rim, the Lectric XP 3.0 made exploring the area so much easier. One of the highlights was using the bike to explore Hermit Road, which is closed to private vehicles and only accessible by shuttle or on foot. But thanks to the bike, we could explore the western part of the South Rim at our own pace without having to wait for the shuttle or walk long distances. We were also able to enjoy stunning sunsets every evening. After watching the sun dip below the canyon's edge, instead of waiting in long shuttle lines like everyone else, we simply hopped on our bike and quickly returned to our campsite. It was such a convenient and enjoyable way to explore one of the most iconic places in the world. These testimonials highlight how our folding electric bike enhanced our travel experiences by offering freedom, convenience, and a peaceful way to explore some of the West's most beautiful destinations. For us RVers, it's all about convenience. The Lectric XP 3.0 doesn't just offer adventure, it's practical too. We can easily charge it at our campsite using our trailer's power setup. And when we need to run errands, it's much easier to zip around on the bike than move the entire rig. Traveling with the Lectric XP 3.0 has truly enhanced our RV lifestyle. It gives us the freedom to go farther, experience more, and stay flexible in how we explore new places. Whether it's a quick trip into town or a leisurely ride through nature, this bike adds a whole new dimension to our adventures. So, that's how we've been exploring the Western U.S. with our bike and our travel trailer. If you're an RVer looking for a way to enhance your travels, we can't recommend this setup enough. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to subscribe to Two Traveling Teachers for more travel tips, RV adventures, and gear reviews. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below to let us know your favorite way to explore while traveling.